Update on the baby budgies. These are the baby budgies. They're about 2.5 months old now, and they weren't letting the parents eat any food because the parents have given some more eggs, and the eggs have hatched. They were eating all the food, so I got this cage today, and I thought I'd move them into this cage. And as you can see now, they're eating by themselves, so at least the budgies will feed the young ones. So these are all the little ones that were given by the two pairs. So there's 4 from one and 4 from the other ones. If you've seen all the other videos, you've seen which baby budgies these ones are from. And that was the update of the new cage, and